Good morning, everyone. Hi, happy Tuesday. It's so good to see you. Hi. Are you ready to sing our good morning song? Me too. Let's go. Good morning, good morning. What a lovely day. Good morning, good morning. Won't you come and play? Good morning, good morning. Clap your hands like mine. Good job. Good morning, good morning. It's time for story time. Good morning, good morning. What a lovely day. Good morning, good morning. Won't you come and play? Good morning, good morning. Clap your hands like mine. Clap your hands. Good job. Good morning, good morning. It's time for story time. One more time. Good morning, good morning. What a lovely day. Good morning, good morning. Won't you come and play? Good morning, good morning. Clap your hands like mine. Yay! Good morning, good morning. It's time for story time. Good job, everyone. Very good. Have you noticed that the weather outside is starting to change? That's because it's fall. Our first word of the day today is fall. Fall. Can you say fall? That's right. Fall. Our next word sounds like this. Autumn. 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 Can you say autumn? That's right. Autumn. Autumn is another word for fall. You could say fall or autumn. How do you know when it is fall or autumn? Well, the leaves change colors and fall from the trees. And it starts to get chilly and cold. Another thing that happens in the fall is a harvest. Harvest. Can you say harvest? That's right. Harvest. A harvest is when we gather all of the food and vegetables we grew in the summer so we can eat them. We harvest our vegetables. Very good, everyone. Do you remember how the autumn leaves fall when they change colors? And sometimes we rake them up and put them in a pile. I know a song about the falling autumn leaves. Would you like me to sing it to you? Okay, here we go. ears like this, like the leaves falling. Leaves falling. Here we go. Autumn leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. Red and yellow, orange and brown. Down, down, down. Can you jump into the leaves? Jump. Take a rake and rake them up, pile them high up to the sky. Jump right in. Can you jump? Jump. Good job. Autumn leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. Red and yellow, orange and brown. Down, down, down. Take a rake and rake them up, pile them high up to the sky. Jump right in. Good job, everyone. I think we're ready to read some stories all about the fall. All right, let's go. Okay, everyone. Our first book today is called Weather in Fall. Fall weather. The warm summer is over. Now fall is here. Fall is a season of change. In fall, the weather is cooler. The temperature drops. Brr. In fall, the air is crisp and cool. Noah wears a jacket to stay warm. Selma wears a sweater. Do you see the jacket and the sweater? That's right. Do you have a jacket or sweater? Yes. Some fall days are warm like summer. Yay, today is sunny. Jake plays outside. Some fall days are chilly like winter. Brr, Kay can see her breath. Some fall days are rainy. Splash! Jill jumps in a puddle. Some fall days are windy. Whoosh! Ethan sees leaves blow in the wind. Fall weather gets colder and colder. Frost covers the ground. Plants freeze. Fall is almost over. Soon winter will come. What do you do in fall? The end. All right, our next book is called Amazing Autumn. Remember, autumn is another word for fall. Autumn is here. The air is getting cooler. It's time to wear a sweater. Tap each button from top to bottom. There, all buttoned up. Trees are changing colors. Leaves go from green to red, yellow, and more. What colors do you see? The leaves start to fall from the trees. Tap the falling leaves to count them. How many leaves did you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so many more leaves. Now blow them really hard to help them reach the ground. Can you blow out like the wind? Good job. Uh-oh, what a mess. How can we pick up all those leaves? Pull the rake toward you. Now do it again. All clean. That was a lot of work. Look at all those leaf piles. Point to the tallest one. Which is the tallest? There it is. Plop! Jumping in the leaves is so much fun. Uh-oh, looks like we'll have to rake again. Autumn is a time for picking apples. Can you count 10 green apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you like apples? Yum! Apple pie! Now let's visit the farm. So many vegetables are ready for harvest in autumn. Squash, potatoes, celery. Oh my! Look at all those orange pumpkins. What shape are they? Pumpkins are round, almost like a circle. Let's pick the perfect pumpkin. Which one would you choose? Now we'll make a jack-o'-lantern and put a candle inside. Push the switch to turn out the light. Boo! What a spooky face! Autumn is a special season, but soon it will be over. And winter will be here. Brr. The end. Our next story is called Counting on Fall. Counting on Fall. Do you think that math matters much to the animals and plants? What if nature knew numbers like you? Let's look at the fall. Can you imagine what counting could do? Who'd count the leaves falling from the trees, stirred and disturbed by the passing breeze? As more and more fall to the forest floor, the less there are left on the trees. And the less on the trees, the more on the floor, until the trees stand there nakedly. What number of nuts would the squirrel stash away? Would they keep count? Would they keep score? Imagine them comparing the size of their stores. When fall fruits drop plop, 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 the seed pods pop, 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 pop. Would they fall in neat patterns? Would they float into rows? Do you think whales would race to a sunny, warm place? If honking geese kept to groups 10 apiece, what a sight that would make at the lake! Would pronghorns pair up, line up in parade, and prance across the prairie? With toes like those, do you suppose raccoons can count on trouble? Might monarchs make sure their roosts are arranged so they're tucked up just so in 10 rows? Could bats all behave and keep count in the cave, so they slip into sleep one by one? While pikas pack away piles of wildflower hay, would they promise to pack the same number? If the bears were aware, would they think that it's fair if one were to gobble more than his or her share? A flock of cackling graggles awakes, ready to leave the tree. If some go here and some go there, do they divide up equally? So nature knowing numbers? No, not really true. The only creatures to need numbers? Actually, just you. The end. By the light of the harvest moon. The harvest moon shines tonight. Everyone is still at work on Apple Hill Farm. The corn is ripe since late summer, and the men and boys carry the last of it in burlap bags to the corn crib. Around midnight, one weary farmer crosses the road and walks slowly toward his house. He will try to sleep, though the harvest moon shines still brightly. The cows and sheep stand very still. They stare up at the orange-yellow ball, which floats at the bottom of the sky like a big round balloon. The animals talk to the moon, but she does not answer their low moos and high-pitched baas. The wind speaks softly at first, then louder. Swish, swish. She delivers gusty blasts of air over the fields and farmhouse. Orange, yellow, and crimson leaves swirl and twirl and dance in the sky until a cloud of leaves settles in the pumpkin patch. When the gusts subside, leaf people emerge from the pile. First come grown-ups, then come children, then pets. The leaf people find a clearing and begin decorating tables with maple leaf placemats, golden mums, and pumpkin centerpieces. Shh! Hurry before the children return, says a mother in a red dress. While the grown-ups prepare, the children play on a nearby hillside. They bob for apples, juggle acorns, string popcorn necklaces, and weave wreaths of gold and rust-colored leaves. The best game of all is stacking pumpkins. One boy says, "I can stack 6 pumpkins." "I can stack 10, boasts another. "Watch that it doesn't topple over," warns a child. Too late. All the pumpkins roll down, down, down the hill. "Catch them! Stop them!" the children shout. They chase the runaway pumpkins down, down, down the hill, right into the middle of a party, a dessert party. "Surprise!" sing the mothers and fathers, aunts and uncles, grandmas and grandpas. A grandma gathers the children around. Today is the autumnal equinox. The hours of daylight and darkness are equal, and fall begins. Fruits, vegetables, and grains are harvested. Leaves turn colors of jewels, and we get to eat pie. Everyone laughs. Then they feast on the sweetest treats from the fall harvest. Pumpkin, apple, pear and pecan pies. Under the light of the moon, a daddy raises his glass of cider and toasts the new season. When the last bite of pie is eaten, the leaf people pack everything up, join hands, and wait. Hold on, children, there is still fun to be had. The moon closes its eyes and goes to sleep, but the wind awakens from its slumber and delivers gusty blasts of air. Swish, swish. The wind blows the leaf people out of the clearing of the pumpkin patch and into the crisp moonlight night. The next morning, the sun shines on Apple Hill Farm. The farmer is in the farmhouse. The cows and sheep are in the barn. The leaves are in the pumpkin patch. Everything is in its place. If you look carefully, you will know the leaf people were there. The end. Great job, everyone. I am so excited for fall. Are you? Let's go back over our words of the day. Our first word was fall. Fall is the name of the season. And do you remember another word for fall? That's right. Autumn. Autumn. Can you say autumn? That's right. Autumn is another word for fall. And just like the leaf people in the story, we celebrate fall with a harvest. Harvest. Can you say harvest? Very good. All right, everyone, I am all ready for fall. It's time to say goodbye with our goodbye song. Here we go. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. It's time to wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. Farewell, my friends, until we meet again. Goodbye until next time. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. It's time to wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. Farewell, my friends, until we meet again. Goodbye until next time. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. It's time to wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. Farewell, my friends, until we meet again. Goodbye until next time. One more time. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. It's time to wave goodbye. Bye. Farewell, my friends, until we meet again. Goodbye until next time. Bye-bye, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.